Hello, welcome to the R-3.1 Occupancies Overview. In this module, we will cover characteristics of the R-3.1 occupancies and the building and fire codes that are specific to this occupancy type. The R-3.1 occupancy covers residential facilities that provide 24-hour care for people of any age. The maximum number of occupants is 6 and can consist of a combination of ambulatory, non-ambulatory, and bedridden. Ambulatory means people who are able to move about on their own. Non-ambulatory is anyone who requires the use of an appliance, such as a cane or wheelchair. Bedridden refers to those who are not capable of self-preservation. Is the address clearly visible? Is it obscured by vegetation or missing altogether? 2 exits are required for any licensed facility. The means of egress must exit to the public way. The exterior exit door shall be a minimum of 3 feet in width and not less than 6 feet 8 inches in height. Exit doors shall be capable of opening at least 90 degrees and have a clear width of not less than 32 inches. One of the exits may be a sliding glass door. It has been determined by the state fire marshal that deadbolts can be used on entry doors in Group R occupancies. The same standards for locks in any residential home occupied by the general public apply to these licensed occupancies as well. This is a change from what was previously interpreted in the fire code. Non-ambulatory R-3.1 occupancies have special exiting requirements. 2 exits are always required, one of which must be from the list shown. The following slides show the different layouts of the exiting. Note, fire sprinklers are required throughout the occupancies for non-ambulatory above the first floor. This diagram shows egress through a hallway into a bedroom, which has an exit directly to the interior. The hallway shall be separated from the common areas by a solid wood door not less than 1 3/8 inch thick. The door must be self-closing or close automatically by actuation of a smoke detector. Door stops are not allowed. With this layout, egress is through a hallway, which has an exit directly to the exterior. The hallway shall be separated from the common areas by a solid wood door not less than 1 3/8 inch thick. The door must be self-closing or close automatically by actuation of a smoke detector. Door stops are not allowed. In this option, the exits from the sleeping rooms go directly to the exterior. It is permissible to go through an adjoining bedroom, which exits to the exterior. Doors to a bedridden client sleeping room shall be a positive latching 1 3/8 inch solid wood door, or a minimum 20-minute fire-rated door. The door must be self-closing or closed automatically by actuation of a smoke detector. These doors are also required to have a gasket installed that provides a seal where the door meets the jamb on both sides and across the top. Additionally, night latches, deadbolts, security chains, or any other similar locking device shall not be installed on any interior door leading from a bedridden client sleeping room to any interior area such as a corridor, hallway, and or general use areas of the residence. Door stops are not allowed. In occupancies housing a bedridden client, a direct exit to the exterior from the client sleeping room is required. Exterior doors shall be openable from both sides. It is important to note that bedridden clients are not allowed above or below the first floor at any time. Door stops are not allowed. The door separating the garage from the living area of the home must be self-closing. The door shall be solid wood 1 3/8 inches thick or a 20-minute fire-rated door. In order to use the second story for ambulatory clients, one of the following conditions must be met. A smoke barrier between floors that will prevent smoke migration, a second exit directly to the exterior, or fire sprinklers throughout the occupancy. A basement must also have 2 exits. One exit must provide direct access to the exterior. Time-delayed exits prevent exit doors from opening for 15 seconds. This device must go through development services for approval prior to installation. In facilities housing Alzheimer's or dementia clients, a delay of not more than 30 seconds is permitted. Sleeping rooms are required to have at least one window for emergency escape. As with any other means of egress, the exterior of the rescue window must be free of obstructions. At least one window with bars in a sleeping room must have a quick release. Smoke detectors are required in every room, except for kitchens and bathrooms. R-3.1s require interconnected smoke alarms, but don't require a pull station. The minimum requirement is a 2A 10BC extinguisher, which is California State Fire Marshal tagged and approved. The extinguisher must be mounted 3 to 5 feet above the floor in the approved supplied bracket and is required to be serviced annually by a licensed contractor. The extinguisher must be visually inspected monthly by the owner. Water heaters must have proper seismic straps and be clear of all combustibles within 3 feet. Gas-powered water heaters installed in the garage must remain 18 inches above the finished floor. The combustion chamber cover must be in place. The water heater in the photo does not have straps and is not clear of combustibles. Check for common electrical hazards. Cover plates are required for junction boxes, outlets, and on-off switches. All electrical splices shall be inside electrical boxes or conduit. Use of extension cords in lieu of permanent wiring is prohibited. Electrical cords shall not be extended through walls, ceilings, floors, under doors, or underfloor coverings. Electrical cords shall not be subject to physical or environmental damage. Portable space heaters shall not be plugged into extension cords and must not be within 3 feet of combustibles. A representative from the San Diego Fire Rescue Department will conduct the initial fire inspection for residential care facilities. Subsequent annual fire inspections will be conducted by the crew from your local fire station. Make sure your license is prominently posted. Thank you for your time and attention. Please don't hesitate to call the San Diego Fire Rescue Department with questions regarding these regulations.